Series, a new generation CNC drilling and tapping center. The machine is with superior rigidity casting base, analyzing structure from precisely computerized, providing machinery best steadiness under high-speed displacement and precise cutting situations. Turret-type magazine, which is with grinding gear wheel and Japan-made reduction gear motor transmission, equipped with high-speed mechanical tool change system, and able to store 12 to 14 tools and random access selection to save time. Enclosed splash guard. Unity, artistic, and smaller areas seized. Fitting with mass and multi-processes components production line plan. Airtight heat source, separate electronic cabinet, is able to cut off the heat source and oil sludge. Besides, the most electronic components are used with well-known Germany and Japan brands, promoting steadiness in machines and usage life. Automatic chip flush system, equipped with screw conveyor, is able to eliminate chips effectively and clean them up conveniently. R4530 rapid speed for 3 axis is 48, 48, and 60 meters per minute. R560 rapid speed for 3 axis is 48, 48, and 40 meters per minute. R5140, R600 rapid speed for 3 axis is 36, 36, and 36 meters per minute. BT30 standard spindle speed is 8,000 and 10,000 RPM, and the option can reach to 30,000 RPM. BT40 standard spindle speed is 8,000 RPM, and the option can reach to 15,000 RPM. Coolant through spindle. Coolant flow is fed by a high-pressure pump through the spindle and out the tip of the cutting tool, immediately reducing any heat at the cut point. This substantially increases the cutting efficiency while extending tool life. This system reduces thermal deformation and provides stable accuracy. The machine is equipped with the latest Mitsubishi HF Series servo motor, featuring high response speed and horsepower output. Optional low inertia spindle motor, top tapping speed of 4,000 RPM, full acceleration in 0.3 seconds, major reduction in tapping time,